Every family has albums and photos like these laying around in storage. Today I'm going to show you an awesome way to actually scan and digitize these photos so you can enjoy them forever. It's called Photomyne. Let's hop inside the app and start scanning. As you can see here inside the app's camera, there are a few different cameras for scanning, including photos, slides, and negatives. Now let's start with photos, and what we'll do is we're going to line up the frame and then press and hold the red button, and you can see how the app scans and crops each photo. If you do multiple photos at once, it'll actually make it go a lot quicker as you're going through your project. Now let's try again with these three. Same thing, hold the button and the app crops and enhances these photos. These photos will now be saved together in a digital album too, which makes it super convenient so you can keep your albums together. Now I want to show you something really cool. Let's take this photo for example. Since the photo's a bit blurry, I can tap the diamond icon to use the Sharpie tool and sharpen her face. Let the app work its magic, and you can see it's just so much clearer. Wow, look at that. Now, if I scroll below the photo, I can also colorize it too. Press the button, and boom, look at that. Black and white to color, just like that from a touch of your phone. Now I can add a text description to it so the photo story can be a part of the library too. I can type it in myself, or I can add a voice description up to a minute long in case I don't want to write it. All these details will be held under the photo so you can see them whenever. Now let's keep adding details. We can give it a date, say 1961. We can add a location too. Let's put in New Jersey. Now, all of this metadata that you've added, descriptions, details, dates, etc., is all a part of the photo, so you can see it all together in one place. Does the photo have something written on the back of the photo, perhaps? You can actually choose to scan the back of the photo too, and it'll stay with the original scan. So now here you can see this one has some text on the back. Now let's just scan it, and now, boom, you can see it right here. Just stays with the photo, tap in the corner, and it'll flip from side to side. So let's move away from photos for now. What about scanning film negatives or slides, you might ask? Well, as I alluded to earlier, you can scan slides and negatives with the app too. First, you'll have to get yourself some sort of backlight source. We recommend a light pad like this, as you can just lay your slides and negatives right on top. You can head to our Amazon store and get one for yourself, super easy. Now let's head back to the camera screen and change our camera to negatives. Just align the negative within the bright strip of the camera's frame, press the capture button, and boom. Let's go to the photo and you can see how the negative looks as a digital photo, huh? It's pretty cool. Again, just for fun, let's press the diamond and sharpen the faces. And you can see the app work its magic. It'll obviously crop both of these photos for the moment so it can understand how to sharpen each one. And again, the results are just stunning. Look at that, so clear. Now let's go back and let's do the same thing with slides. Again, we're gonna go to the camera screen and we're gonna slide over to slides. Put the slide on the backlight, press the button, and again, that image just comes to life. Boom, it's absolutely beautiful. Now, one cool feature you might actually like, at least for iOS users, we have something called voice control, which allows you to tap the microphone icon, and all you have to do is align your scan and say, go. Pretty cool, right? The app can just tell from your voice and it can take the scan without you pressing anything. Now, once you've scanned your photos, you're definitely gonna wanna share them too. And there's plenty of options. You can connect your account to Google Photos and export photos there too. Or you can save them to your phone, email them to someone, or this is really cool, you can even share your entire library. Basically, you can invite family and friends to view your scanned library on their own phones through our companion app, Photomyne Share. They just download the app and enter your unique code to enjoy your collection. If you're less comfortable navigating an app on your phone, You can also view your account on a computer. To access on a computer, select the option in the app and then open the QR scanner. Now, from your computer, go to www.photomyne.com and scroll to the bottom of the page and click where it says View Photos on PC. Now scan the QR code in the pop-up once that appears, and then all of your albums will appear on your computer as an online account. Or you can even log in directly from Photomyne's main page. From there, you can add details, dates, descriptions, etc. All the good things you can do with inside the app. In addition, you can actually even reduce glare in your scans or sharpen the entire photo online, features that you can't find in the app itself currently. Remember, in the app you can only sharpen the faces. Here you can sharpen the entire photo. And boom, doesn't it look great? Now, that's just a quick tutorial that'll hopefully get you moving in the right direction towards digitizing your family's photographed history. Enjoy!